Hey guys, it's Jessica with Evergreen in Colonial Heights. I wanted to pop in and do a quick video on vegetable seeds. Particularly, these are going to be unique seeds, things that you're not going to find like in already plant starts. So if you're going to need to start yourself at home, but some just unique and different varieties I think a lot of you hobby gardeners will enjoy in particular.
Yes, you can grow corn in your backyard, and it's not that hard. And if you're going to grow corn, why not grow one of these? The just color patterns are really cool and way more fun than regular yellow corn. I don't think that there's anything practical about snake gourds, but they're definitely unique and different. You could also try mini bottle gourds and make your own little birdhouses out of them, or your own sponges, like loofah gourd is probably one of the coolest things we have. These Armenian cucumbers are more melon-like. I think a little less like just water. And speaking of water, you've got yellow watermelons. I grew these carnival carrots last year, and I actually really liked how they turned out. They're really colorful. And so are these rainbow cherry tomatoes, which are different kinds on the same plant. Purple tomatillos, sweeter than the green, and just a little bit different. And if you like purple, try these purple beans. And then you could even do your own wild bergamot for tea. And it's a great pollinator. And then you've got the emerald tower. I grew this basil last year, and it was the best basil I've ever grown. Like, could not recommend it more. Super late to flower, really upright grower, absolutely obsessed. And last but not least, we've got these lemon cucumbers, which I do want to try this year. And guys, no matter what you do, just enjoy gardening this year.